Yo, everyone, welcome back to Rain City. Right, so I gave up. Wait, let me give you the general gist of this game first. My little sister stopped contacting me, and so I'm going to see if she's okay. And I'm going on this crazy adventure to find her. Also, it's the running joke that I want to sleep with her. Anyway, what I was going to say before, I gave up. Me, have finally decided that I'm just going to follow a walkthrough. I would love to do this the usual way, but that would take literally hours. And I'm trying to do I'm trying to make a series that progresses, you know what I mean? And so from now on, I will always have a bit of a walkthrough up in the background. I'm only going to use it when I really need it. Don't get the wrong idea, but it's going to be there. Otherwise, this will be 1,000 episodes long because I am really stupid. Okay, so whipped out the walkthrough for this. So there's a sign here, if you notice, right? That's backwards. And so the pattern that I was doing, I think must have been backwards. So I just instantly go down. Then I go left. Then I go up. Much like in popular Pixar movie Up. Then I go... No, that's right. Oh, God. Then I go left. And then I go down. Do not get stuck on the puddle, you fucking cat. And then I go left again. And then I go up. Much like, once again, in popular movie Up. Then I go right. Then I go up. Then I go right. And I should be there. Yep, there it is. There's the magic mushroom. It's an enormous green mushroom. Oh, sorry. Stop. Bro, I got some mushies, bruh. I got some mad mushes. That's right, stupid smoke. The smoke coming from the mushroom dissipated. I feel refreshed. Much like in popular movie Refreshed. It's a great film. It's about this guy, right, named Pete. And he's going through a bit of a rough time in his life. You know, he's got an office job he hates and all this other kind of stuff. And so he goes away on this vacation to a resort, and it's I'll feel refreshed after this. And he gets involved in a cannibal ring and ends up eating 3 children. He feels refreshed afterwards though, so it's all right. As you can probably tell, this movie is not entirely real. I may have made it up on the spot. Help me. I'm trying, dude. Shut the fuck up. Bitch, shut the fuck up, man. Green mushrooms. You got them. Great, hand them over. Much like in popular movie Hand 'Em Over. Where a guy who's missing hands gets involved in a cannibal ring. I made the final compound, but there's still one small problem. I was careless before and placed 3 compounds along another medicine, so now I can't tell them apart. All of the medicines are on the table below. Find the 3 correct medicines as a little experiment. Make them into compounds and then just feed the compounds to the mice on the table. Aren't you like a mouse? Or are you a rat? So as a rat, I can mistreat those lesser than me. If all three of the compounds are correct, the mice that drank the medicine will get stronger. Nothing will happen if you just get one compound wrong. But if you get two compounds wrong, then the mice will start to die. If you get all three wrong, the mice will suddenly die. It should be simple for you. I'll give you this compound and tell them apart. Bro, awesome. I cannot wait to do that. Based. So what is it? Is that correct? I did not get that right. Nah, that's wrong. I didn't get that right. That didn't just happen. Let's see if I can pull it off twice. Man. Sheesh. That one, and that one? Wait, its eyes went green, but it then died? I don't know, like... that one? Hold on, let me try some. That one, and that one? Cool, so I got two of them right, and I have no idea why. Oh well, let's just do them again. If at first you don't succeed, well, you know, like, you know what I mean? Like, I did succeed. By completely farcing it. So that's cool. I wish I remembered the order that I did these in. What do you think of that? Your eye's gonna go green? You dirty mouse. Oh. Man. Well, let's try... I think that was... I should really write this down next time. If I'm gonna get it completely by flukes. Like... Okay, so that was one of them. So what about this one? What do you think of that? Bruh. I got two of them right. Alright. So, first of all, let's make Mousy Boo go greeny weeny. Alright, Mousy Boo has gone greeny weeny now. So I can officially do the second Mousy Wousy. Wasn't that correct last time? Or was it like... Well, let's try this one. Yo, walkthrough time. Alright, so I don't know, still don't know how this works, but I've got a walkthrough up. So let's do this. That one. Okay. Eat up, mousy boys. You like that, don't you? You mouse. Yeah, he turned fucking red. Okay, so next up. What's happening? Okay, so I figured out what my problem was. Pretty easy. It's up in the corner. I didn't notice it go up there. Anyway, sup, bro? How was the experiment? Did you forget how to do it? No, bro, I didn't. Fuck you. Shut up, man. Why does he have to talk to me, like, so much? Me discussing FNAF lore. to the woman in the milk aisle. She was very impressed. Did the experiment work? Good job. Look, those mice are fierce. My compound is supreme. So from here, the most vital part that I even saw in my dreams. I'm going to be the strongest mouse on this star from now. What? Dude just took a shot up his veins, you know what I mean? What the fuck is happening? I think those gases in the mushroom room did more to me than I thought. Yo, holy shit. Man be wildin'. Damn. Well, Le Laboratory. Oh my god, did I accidentally set the wrong language? Oh no. Please don't let me have done that. No, what happened? Thanks, the room in the air in the room is much better now. I'm feeling a lot more comfortable. You want to go to the factory and look for someone? The management is very strict there. It's not a place you can get into easily. There's a private mine underground. Several of man friends mass there. Sometimes they steal valuable machinery from the factory through a secret passage. Of course, I can't say that they're very kind mass. They might be a bit of a pain if you want them to help you, but it would be good to try asking them, you see. Right, I'll give you this. It's a key to the outside well. The entrance is over there. Thanks, old guy. There's definitely a secret passage that goes to the factory. You can't get the mice's help without gaining their trust. Now. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I have a good-for-nothing son who works in the factory. He hasn't come home in a very long time. If it happens to find him, tell him to hurry home and stop working for the dog, destroying the city for a meager wage. Now it's time for me to rest. Tell him Daddy's still proud of him. Yo, he's dead? Holy shit. Yeah, I'm aware that the well is locked. Yo. And we'll see what happens next time. Next time on Rain City. I will be going into mines with mice. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Alright, smash subscribe. Watch all my videos. See you next time. Bye.